My name's Bradley Banks. I live in Hobart in southern Tasmania. I currently work for Fridrite Refrigeration.
I'm Peter Ryan. I live in Melbourne, Victoria. I work at Boeing Australia in Fisherman's Bend. I'm doing a cabinet making apprenticeship.
I'm qualified as an A-grade electrician and a refrigeration mechanic. I had an interview with Work and Training and then one with PARS, and they decided that they'd like to put me on. And being through the training company, it made it really easy because I switched employers halfway through. Work and Training took care of everything there and sorted it all out. All I had to do was turn up, which made it great.
When I was at Holmesglen TAFE doing my pre-app, I talked to the Southern Suburbs Group Training representative there that was based there, and he helped me push me in the right direction for a work experience. And then also when this job came up, he said, "Do you want to apply for it?" I said yes, and it went from there.
Once every 2 or 3 months they pop out and make sure that everything's running smoothly. If you need anything, uniforms, tools, extra training as in study-wise, they'll help you with tutors and things like that if you're having a bit of a tough time at TAFE. I mentioned when I changed employers, they took care of all the paperwork and all the nitty-gritty side of that, which made it a really easy, stress-free transfer for me, which was exactly what I wanted.
The company come out to Boeing and do checks and make sure you're happy and ring you up. You're always in contact with them. I think they all know me down there, so I'm always ringing them up about something.
I was actually really, really lucky to get through the 2 apprenticeships in about 4.5 years it was, and that all happened because I took the opportunities that came to me. TAFE needed to be able to prove me competent at every aspect of both the trades before they could sign me off, and they managed to get that from the World Skills competitions I'd been in, some of the awards that I'd received. So if I hadn't have done that, then I'd still be apprentice right now.
Probably just keep going, keep hanging in there, because sometimes there's people or things that get in your way and try to push you down, but just keep going.
I'm kind of the belief that a lot of hard work now, for the last few years and maybe for the next few years to come, will reap benefits later on, and then I can probably have the more lifestyle than the work. Hopefully I'm correct.
I want to do a bit more, and I want to have a bit more of a life outside of work. Focus on some other interests, maybe some other skills.
It has definitely been pushed to the side a little bit for the last few years, especially with all the overtime that I do at work. When I do get the time off, I definitely make the most of it. I'd have to say that this training camp, I come out expecting to get as much out of it as I could, and I've already absolutely excelled past that. Like, everybody that's turned up to give a motivational speech or speak about their life, it's like they've walked into the room to just talk to me personally.
I've been nominated and won runner-up in a couple of awards that Southern Suburbs have put forward. That was an achievement.